This walking talking mock is for 333 units of information. Now the questions that I've used are from the supplementary questions on the AQA website, and it does ask you about a nibble, but in the AQA specification, the new one, it doesn't seem to mention nibble anywhere, but I'm still including the question just in case, so you can have some practice on it. So here's the question. We've got place the following quantities in order of size, and we've got 1 to 4, where 1 is the smallest and 4 is the largest. And this actually gets you 3 marks, which is a lot of marks to be getting. So if you remembered our little acronym that we had, we've got 8 basketball kicks makes gaming tough. So that's the order that it goes. Now if we're going to include nibbles into that as well, that just goes there, because a nibble is half a bite. So bits are small, but you've just got to be aware that you might get a bit of a trick question here. So you've almost got to work this out in bits. So if bits was a bite, we would have 1 bite, because that 1 bite is 8, and then we are left with 7 bits. So it's 1 bite and 7 bits. 3 nibbles is, so you've got half a bite times 3, so it's 4, 8, 12 bits, so 12 bits. And then we've got here 2 bites is 8 bits times 2, so that's going to make 16 bits. Now kilobyte is going to be the biggest one, isn't it? Because kilobytes are much larger than any of these on here. So if we look at this, we've got 15 bits, we've got 12 bits, we've got 16 bits, and then we've got kilobyte, which we don't even need to bother working out. So it says where 1 is the smallest and 4 is the largest, so we know that one's going to be the largest. We're then looking for the smallest, so the smallest one is going to be the 3 nibbles, so that's going to be a 1 there, and then the next one is going to be this one, and the next one is going to be this one. So always work it out in bits or some way that you can compare them to help you answer that question. Now we've got another sound file, has a size of 24,000 bits. What is 24,000 bits in kilobytes? You should show your work in. So again, we can use our acronym. So 8 basketball kicks make gaming tough. So we know that we've got 8 bits in a byte, and then you should remember that number 1,000 as well, so it's going up like this. So we've got 24,000 bits, and they need to be converted into kilobytes. So the bits first of all need to be converted into bytes. So if I take 24,000 bits, to convert that into bytes, we know that there's 8 bits in a byte, so we have to divide it by 8. And fortunately, you've been given fairly simple maths there, because 24 and 8 goes into 24 quite neatly. So we've got 8, 16, 24, so it goes in 3 times. So 24,000 divided by 8 is 3,000 bytes. So that's the first part of our calculation. And then bytes into kilobytes, we have to divide by 1,000. So again, fairly simple maths, because 3 divided by 1 is 3. So it's just 3 kilobytes. So the answer is 3 kilobytes. And I've shown my working as well. So I'm going to get my 2 marks for that question.